every single thing is a skill in our life. If we want to be better in the skill, we can do that. There is level to every single skill, and we can be at the level 0 and we can be at the level of 100. Let's say the best level is 100. We can be at the level 0, and we can also be at the level 100. The gap between 0 to 100 is the perseverance, the trial and errors, the experience, and the not giving up attitude. If I am not good at speaking, if I am not good at doing some certain activity, if I am not good in riding a horse, that doesn't mean that I am bad at it. That simply means that we have not enough experience in the field to claim ourselves the best, to make ourselves like as the one of the best in the industry. That is not like that. If we are not good at something, that simply means we have to put more work hours in that and get better with time. For an example, I was in a very bad position of speaking. So if I want to improve that game, I have to be more approachable to the people, I have to be more attentive listener, I have to speak with more, I have to give more trials, and in the process I have to find out what are the things that are working, what are the things that are not working, how can I improve it, so that the conversation becomes smooth from the next time. And if I make the mistake again, I will have to improve it from the next time. This is how I would be playing the game. This is how every single skill gets improved. Rather than that, if we are not good at something, we simply label it as we cannot do that. This is our weakness. And from that point, we keep injecting our mindset with the data that I am not made for that, and that's why I will not be a good option. I will not be a good fit for that thing. In reality, this is complete opposite. We have to just need put more hours into it, get better with time, have a journal of writing like what mistakes did we make, how can we improve that, and what are the things I need to avoid. This is as simple as that. So I think this is the simplest idea of improving ourselves in every skill, of improving ourselves in everything we suck at it. This is because we have skill issues and we need to resolve them as soon as possible.